Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a credit card onto the DoorDash app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and add your credit card on the DoorDash app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the DoorDash app. Next, click on your profile icon on the upper right-hand corner. Then click on Settings on the top-hand side. Afterwards, scroll down and underneath Account Settings, click on Payment. And then this is where you could actually go ahead and see all your different payment methods. So in order to add your credit card, click on Credit/Debit Card. And then this is where you could enter your card number, expiration, CVC, country, and zip code. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add your credit card on the DoorDash app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.